Huh? Yeah, yeah. I am Sarabjit Singh Gill.
So am I talking to
I have to
Agnesh
wear
or
a
am I
turban.
talking to Sarabjit Gill right now?
Both of them. I like wearing turbans, so that's why I was just missing wearing it.
Uh-huh.
So finally. So, how are you, Shruti?
I am good. आप कैसी हो? क्या हालचाल है आपके? फाइनली आपसे इस तरह
मैं
मुलाकात हुई है. It's fun to talk to you always anyways.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपसे बात करके. And this is the first time I'm going live like this. Yesterday I did one interview. It was a formal one, but it wasn't an interaction with the fan. But today I am there. I am all ready for my questions.
I should say finally you're getting time with your family.
Yeah, you know better about our shoots, about the shooting schedule. But I would say it's like, fortunately we are getting time, but unfortunately what the situation is, it's pretty bad. मतलब बहुत बुरा है जो है अभी जो हो रहा है पूरी दुनिया में इनफैक्ट. सो बहुत सारे लोग संक्रमित हैं इस वायरस से, जो कि अच्छा नहीं है. बट समहाउ अगर थोड़ी सेल्फिशनेस दिखाई जाए तो फिर तो बहुत टाइम मिल रहा है हमें एज एन एक्टर. मुझे बहुत टाइम मिल रहा है खुद को सुधारने का, अपने क्राफ्ट को अच्छा करने का और अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम बिताने का, जो कि आई एम क्वाइट लाइकिंग इट. बट आई होप ये सारी सिचुएशन जल्दी से ठीक हो जाए और हम फिर दोबारा से अपने शूटिंग रिज्यूम कर पाए, विच आई एम वेटिंग फॉर राइट नाउ.
आप घर पे क्या क्या कर रहे हो? What you are doing? Are you also
आई एम डूइंग
cooking
अ लॉट
and
ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच आई नेवर डिड. हाँ, मैंने कुकिंग तो डेफिनेटली कर रहा हूँ. मैं कुकिंग तो मैं पहले भी करता था, बट अभी भी कर रहा हूँ. एंड पहले मैं सिर्फ खुद के लिए बनाता था, सबके लिए भी बना पा रहा हूँ थोड़ा बहुत. सो बट फॉर्चुनेटली मेरे बच्चों को सिर्फ मैगी पसंद आती है, तो फिर मेरे लिए वो इजी हो जाता है टास्क.
सही है.
बट क्वारंटाइन में मुझे ये भी पता लगा कि मैगी 2 मिनट में नहीं बनती है, वो एक्चुअली में 4 साढ़े 4 मिनट का.
Shraddha Soni wants to ask, you're doing kind of good sketch and making some unexpected experiment sketch again. आप sketching करते हैं?
It's my first sketch ever. I drew an eye. मैंने एक रियलिस्टिक आई बनाई थी. सो वो मेरी फर्स्ट स्केच थी. श्रद्धा, इट वाज माय फर्स्ट एवर स्केच आई ड्रू.
So there's a question from singing girl Yashi. आपका favorite song कौन सा है?
माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग, हिंदी में इंग्लिश में? अभी फिलहाल मैं हिंदी में जो सुन रहा हूँ, मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आजकल. इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की. अमित जी का सॉन्ग है, शराबी फिल्म.
वाह. वैसे इंतहा तो हो ही रही है, सब इंतजार में है कि कब कोरोना
एग्जैक्टली,
जाएगा
मैं
और सब
बोलने वाला था.
बाहर आएंगे, राइट?
काफी रिलेटेबल है आजकल के दौर.
There is a question from I am Pari Kapoor. I am Pari Kapoor. Avi bhaiya, I am your biggest fan. Please tell me your bond with Nimriddhi.
सो आई एंड निमृत गेट अलोंग रियली वेल. हमारा कनेक्ट भी चंडीगढ़ से है, तो वो स्टार्टिंग से ही हमें एक कनेक्शन मिल गया था. सो थ्रू दैट आवर जर्नी स्टार्टेड. और तो हमारे सीन्स में भी जो हमारे बैंटर्स होते हैं, उसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है दोनों एक्टर्स के लिए, ऑफ स्क्रीन भी अच्छी तरह से रहना और काफी फ्रेंडली रहना. सो वी आर वेरी फ्रेंडली विद ईच अदर, और हम दोनों एक दूसरे को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ वी एग्जीक्यूट आवर सीन्स. उसमें भी बहुत मजा आता है तभी, बिकॉज हम नॉर्मली भी हमारे बैंटर्स चलते रहते हैं. सो it's not only Sarabjit and Meher, it's also Avinash and Nimrit. हमारे ऑफ स्क्रीन जो बैंटर्स होते हैं, those are like quite different, but वो ऐसे नहीं होते हैं जैसे सरबजीत और मेहर के होते हैं, बट होते हैं, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं. अगर कोई इसकी मेकिंग बनाए तो उनको बहुत मजा आएगा.
There's
फॉर
a
एन
question
एक्टर,
from Noor Randhawa. Who is your favorite Bollywood actor in Bollywood?
ऑफ कोर्स ऋतिक रोशन
Uh-huh.
एंड अमित जी.
Ding, ding, ding.
My I used to dance a lot before, but no,
Uh-huh.
I don't get an opportunity now. I'm a Shamak student, but
Oh,
I joined Shamak because of Ritik, because I used to dance on his songs, and
so
since
you
2000 I've
were
been
also
doing that.
one of the back dancers in any of the Bollywood song. Is this happened with you? The way Shahid Kapoor
No, no,
was.
no, not in any of the Bollywood songs, but I performed at Filmfare in Shamak's troupe. But yeah, I did a song for a film called Rubaru. I wasn't a background dancer. It was I am me who was singing, who was lip singing the song.
Great.
So that was a film called Rubaru of Randeep Hooda.
So how your acting journey
So
started, Avnish? Like from where? Because जैसे आपने कहा आप शामक के student and
जी
you
हाँ.
performed on stage with him while dancing and also आपकी journey कैसे शुरू हुई acting
So
की?
my journey started because of him only. So I had joined Shamak's classes when I was doing my graduation.
Uh-huh.
तो उनका वहां पर एक कोर्स होता था, समर फंक एंड विंटर फंक, अभी भी होता है. सो
Okay.
आई जॉइंड दैट, और उसमें 2 साल में मतलब मेरे को हमेशा आई यूज्ड टू गेट द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट अवार्ड.
Oh.
तो I was in between. I was doing my graduation also. So in my second year, he offered me. He said, "You should come to Bombay because you've got a potential in you. So you'll do really wonders over there, and you should definitely become an actor." So Menega, I haven't thought about it, though I had thought, but I never thought to go to Bombay so soon, because I was just finishing my graduation. So
Mm-hmm.
I thought, I said, I'll finish my graduation, then I might think about it. So I was still continuing my graduation, also finished, and then he again offered me. I said, okay, fine. So I went. He got my portfolio clicked. I did my pictures. I came back, gave my final exams of my BBA. I was doing BBA in Chandigarh.
Okay.
So then finally I went to Bombay. I shifted myself immediately. So simultaneously I was doing dance also, and I used to give auditions. So in the beginning, I was getting quite a lot of ads, a lot of
Uh,
advertisements I was getting, and but later on, things didn't work out well, so I had to come back. So I came back. I joined my Mamaji's business, and in between I went to Australia also for my higher education. I came back from there, but I was always adamant to be an actor.
वो अंदर से
So I
acting का
came back.
कीड़ा जिसे
Yeah,
कहते
yeah. Once, no, I always thought that I'll become an actor because I had this interest in me.
हैं.
But the guidance and the way I started it was quite abrupt. It wasn't planned as such. So because I always thought that I will go to NSD or to Delhi first and do some theater or
Correct.
join some acting course and then start with it. But then that's how destiny was, and it wanted that to happen, and
So when
that's
you
how
got
it
the
happened.
first break thing, like if I say the first
So
proper
my
break,
first break, my first confidence of starting again happened when I came back to Bombay, and I was working as a QC, quality controller, in my Mamaji's company. He's a buying agent and he's an exporter from Germany. So he had a buying office in Bombay also. So I said, I'll join that buying office of yours, and simultaneously I'll also give auditions. So I used to give auditions, and there I got a little break in this film called Dil Bole Hadippa in 2008. So I did that film, and there I got a little bit of confidence that okay, fine, I can still do it.
uh-huh.
And then I did that film, and post that I started giving auditions again. It took a lot of time again after that. So in 2011, I got my first break in a series called Bisat Rishto Ki for Vikram Bhatt.
Oh, nice.
But
That's
it didn't work out. It was a paid series for Airtel at that time.
oh, okay.
So he was only directing it and he was only producing it. But that also didn't work out because it wasn't sold. so so then post that I again waited for 1 year, and then I got my first break thanks to Nandita ma'am and Bhairavi ma'am. They gave me my first break, and also to Colors in Chal Shewar Math in 2012. So from there my journey started as an actor, as a TV actor.
मॉक शूट में आपने क्या सीन किया था जो आप सरबजीत के किरदार के लिए सिलेक्ट हुए?
So mock shoot was the most difficult scene which we performed on, me and Nimrit. That was our first scene, and the scene where she confesses that she's pregnant with her love child, and right at our first night. So that was the most difficult one also, and was the most uh, entertaining scene also, as per now.
Nice.
I love that scene, but how it turned out later on was much more better. It was totally different. My characterization in the beginning was totally different. How it changed later on, transformed, I would say.
Which is your favorite
Thank you
character
so much.
from
Same to
Bollywood
you.
that you wish you can do too in future? Sarabjit fan is asking. आपका बॉलीवुड का फेवरेट किरदार जो आप करना चाहेंगे फ्यूचर में?
Oh, there are two actually. Both are comedy. One, I want to play Amit ji of Satya Pe Satta,
Okay.
and one I want to play Amir Khan of Andaz Apna Apna. I think I can pull off comedy really well. I've got a very brilliant
Can
comedy
you
sense.
mimic any of them?
No, I cannot mimic any of them. बच्चन साहब तो थोड़ा सा मुझे जो अच्छा लगता है मैं करता हूँ, चाहे वो समाज के खिलाफ हो, पुलिस कानून. I keep on doing that, you know. I keep on irritating people on set like this, even though if I can't bring out that same voice, but still I do that. You know, I can also mimic one small line of Amrish Puri ji, and which is, "Oye Rajjo," just that. It's only this part which I can mimic properly of Amrish Puri ji, and I irritate Nimrit and everybody so much on set like this. I keep on, you know, yanking like this only all the time. Oye Nimrit, बेटा cut हो गया.
आपका फेवरेट सीन कौन सा है निमृत मैम के साथ? प्लीज आंसर.
My favorite scene. So it's that Jamal Ghota scene which I performed, because that was the first scene where we started with the banter. तो जो जमाल घोटा मेरे को मेहर जी पिला देती हैं, तो उसके बाद जो मेरी हालत होती है, and the way she blocks my way and she doesn't let me go inside the room. So that is the best scene of mine.
So there is a question from JMD Poonam Verma. What were your favorite subjects during school time?
Accounts. And
Commerce student.
yeah, commerce student. I did BBA. So that was later, but before that, social studies and maths.
But there are questions for Param also कि Param कैसा है और आपका on screen और off screen Param के साथ कैसा bond है?
Amazing. Kavina is amazing. You know, she lights up the screen also, and also, but the way she is as Param, she's totally different as Kavina. Kavina is too chilled out. She's like a dadi amma of set. You know, you don't do that. Do your lines. And now तो she's become a pro. वो तो अब लाइन किसी को ना हो ना तो नहीं आपने ना यहाँ पर ऐसे आके मेरे ना ये वाले शोल्डर पे हाथ रखा था, ये वाले पे नहीं, तो मुझे ना प्लीज. She keeps on repeating that. And now तो she
बताती होगी.
वो नहीं, अब वो बताने लग गई है बहुत ज्यादा. उसको इतना ज्यादा she's become a pro. वो उसको सारी कंटिन्यूटी याद रहती है, कहाँ से किसने कौन सी चीज करी थी, कहाँ से नहीं. Because you know, kids they have got a very sharp memory. So because of that, she's amazing. Heroine भी पूछ लो, मैं खुद ही बता देता हूँ.
ठीक है, आप बता दीजिए आपकी फेवरेट हीरोइन कौन है?
दीपिका पादुकोण. I love her. She's amazing. No, my father is saying मुझे पंजाबी डायलॉग बोल के दिखाओ.
Okay, uncle is also there and live.
Yeah. All of them are there. This is messaging in between. मैं पंजाबी डायलॉग कौन सा बोलूं? मेरे को नहीं आता कोई पंजाबी डायलॉग.
अब तो आपको कहना पड़ेगा, देखो सीधे ऑल द वे पापा से रिक्वेस्ट आई है आपके.
तो मैं तो पा दूं पढ़ने.
Who is your favorite stand-up comedian?
My favorite stand-up comedian, Sunil Grover.
Yes.
And also Russell Peters. Oh, how can I forget his name? Russell Peters. Russell Peters.
Oh yes.
He is amazing.
There's a question from Kika Story Official. Who is your favorite from Choti Sardani team?
My director, Mr. Jalaj Sharma.
आपकी फेवरेट डिश कौन सी है? तनु शरद is saying.
My favorite dish? It's called, in Punjabi, it's called gatte ki sabzi, and it's made with besan. You know gatte ki sabzi?
गट्टे की सब्जी मारवाड़ी में भी बहुत बनती है. दैट राजस्थानी गट्टे की सब्जी ना गोल गोल.
तो गट्टे की सब्जी वो बेसन से बनती है जो.
हाँ.
वो मेरी फेवरेट. And also when my mom cooks saag, I love that because she cooks in that. She doesn't cook in a cooker, but she cooks in that matka with koila and all. So that saag has a lot of smoke in it.
So how you are spending time? Like दिन भर का schedule क्या होता है आपका? Because there is no shoot. आपको कोई call time नहीं आएगा कि कल सुबह इतनी बजे आना है. So how's your schedule
You know,
going?
that's also it's a very nice question, Shruti. It's very important right now for us to, maintain that schedule of ours, because of this lockdown, people aren't able
I can
to,
see
you
someone
know,
behind you.
huh.
Hi.
That's
That's
my daughter, Avira.
oh.
Avira, say hello to everyone.
Hi
Say
अवीरा.
hi.
Hi. मैं आपसे मिली हूँ बट तब आप बहुत छोटी थी. Hi.
Say something. Say something. Say hello to everyone. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Say hello, everyone.
Hello. Hello. आप क्या कर रहे हो पापा के साथ मस्ती कर रहे हो?
What were you doing outside?
Um, I'm just sitting in my kitchen.
Oh, you were in your kitchen.
You were in your kitchen, so
She's got a
Papa.
big kitchen.
Uh-huh.
She's got her own kitchen, and she was sitting with that. What were you cooking?
Maggie? Maggie? You were cooking Maggie? But I don't have Maggie. I'm only French fries.
What do you have?
Pizza, French fry, burger. Oh my
She's
god!
got pizza, French fries, and burger, not Maggie
Wow!
in her kitchen.
Wow!
But you ate Maggie, right?
I two Maggies. Two Maggies. You had two Maggies. Who made that Maggie? Maggie. पापा बनाए थे. दीदी बनाई. So cute you are. अच्छा आपको कोई पोएम आती है? आपको कुछ आता है? आप पोएम सुनाओगे? अभी को पोएम आती है?
Oh, say something. Which poem do you know?
I know it.
Okay, say ABCD.
A B C D E F G.
Bas. That's it. Say something. If you know that Daddy Finger, where are you? So say that Daddy Finger. So say it. Sing the rhyme.
Sing
No?
I still want to listen. Please, please, please. No?
They want to listen to that. Say it. Say it. No.
वो बोलेगी क्या मेरे से पढ़ाई की कब बातें कर रहे हो? पोएम सुनाओ. What is this? Hi Avi, you're so cute. You like this turban, Papa ka?
You like Papa's turban? Yeah, she loves it.
Uh-huh.
She calls it hat. I tell her, don't call it hat, call it turban. She calls it hat. No, it's like a hat. I said, it's not a hat, it's a turban. There.
Another one. Hello. How's you? कैसे
Say
हो?
hello to everyone.
Hello.
What were you doing? Talk to her. She'll ask you questions. You'll have to answer.
Hello, what are you doing?
This
क्या
is
कर
Shruti
रहे हो?
Didi. Say hello, Shruti Didi.
Hello, Shruti Didi. Hello. How's you? I'm fine. How are you? एकदम बढ़िया. So घर पे कितनी मस्ती चल रही है? तुम परेशान कर रहे हो या नहीं? क्योंकि फाइनली पापा को टाइम मिल रहा है तुम्हारे साथ. Yeah. I'm doing a lot of मस्ती with him. कौन से गेम्स खेलते हो तुम? PS3 and all. आपको कितना मजा आता है पापा को ऑन स्क्रीन देखने में, टीवी पे देखने में मजा आता है? एस सरब जी.
He's my ardent fan.
Oh.
Not only mine, but Choti Sardarni's also. He doesn't miss a single episode.
Wow.
Bloopers of our show.
Okay.
If something is wrong, he will come out with that. I said, please don't tell anyone.
कंटिन्यूटी की सारी ख्याल यही रखता होगा कि पापा आप लेफ्ट से राइट कैसे हो गए. Good, yeah, good. So you want to be a director in future then, है ना?
Him?
Actor.
Oh, really? That's the first. I didn't know that.
Okay, so now people are asking कि where is your wife?
She will never come in front of the camera. You know it.
Yeah, I know. It's very tough to bring her in front of camera. So आपके जो भी सारे fans है, they are asking, they are in fact sending so many messages. You look so good in pagdi. Love from Anraj.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Even I love wearing turban. I always wanted to, and I thank my producers, Channel Colors, Bharti, and everyone. Pradeep ji, Rajesh sir, everyone who have given me this opportunity of playing a Sardar, a turban-clad protagonist in the Indian television. And I'm so glad, and it's such a big responsibility to Drone, you know. So someone has asked, what's my favorite activity in this quarantine days? My favorite activities, you know, I love reading books, and I've got this opportunity to read a lot nowadays. But I can only give means I've divided it. It's like I give mostly 3 to 3.5 hours in reading. And the current book of mine which I'm reading is an autobiography of Rishi Kapoor ji. That's called Khullam Khulla. It's amazing, you know. Okay, I'll sing that song. Inteha ho gayi intezar ki.
Okay,
So that's my favorite.
Yes.
Okay. इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की, आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की, ये हमें है यकीन बेवफा वो नहीं, फिर वजह क्या हुई इंतजार की, इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की.
मुझे वो याद आ गया, वो कौन सा
lyrics, you know.
that अंताक्षरी, इसके बाद वो गाना था, I forget the अंताक्षरी.
Which one?
मैंने प्यार किया कि अंताक्षरी में ही गाना था ना.
हाँ, मैंने प्यार किया कि अंताक्षरी से उसी का गाना शुरू होता था, मैंने प्यार किया गाई.
Yes.
So first message, so I would like to say this. I've already said, please be safe, please be at home, and also please do not sanitize your hands so much, and so that, you know, you go to the kitchen and cook food and go in front of the fire, because it's got alcohol in it, and you know, you can easily catch fire. So if you're at home only, then please wash your hands only with soap and water. That's, I think, more convenient also. And also, I know you guys are missing Choti Sardarni, but we will definitely come back soon after this lockdown period is over, and we will definitely come and entertain you again. We are also missing the shooting, and we are also missing you guys. We are missing all the feedback from you guys.
और साथ ही में मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपका और सास बहू और बेटिया का जो रिश्ता है वो कितना पुराना है, and what do you want to say for that?
सास बहू बेटियों के साथ मेरा रिश्ता बहुत पुराना है, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट दे लेट अस रीच द ऑडियंस इन अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. हम जो ऑन स्क्रीन होते हैं वो तो हम अपनी असली छवि नहीं दिखा पाते हैं, बट हमारी असली छवि ऐसे लोगों तक पहुंचाना, हमसे जो पर्सनल बात कर सकते हैं, जिस हिसाब से आपने इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म अपनाया है इंस्टाग्राम लाइव पे जाने का. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू, टू सास बहू और बेटियां, के उन्होंने इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म चुना और मुझे मेरे फैंस तक पहुंचाया, उनसे बात करने का मौका मिला, उनसे रूबरू होने का मौका मिला, उनके जितने भी सवाल थे उनका जवाब देने का मौका मिला. आई एम सो ग्लैड एंड आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू यू गाइस. Thank you so much.
So thank you so much.
I'll take some of them. Wait a second, let me just, you know, look at some of the answers, some of the questions. You look great in turban. Would like to. Jazz Kaleem, hello Jazz Kaleem. Noor Jahan, hi Noor Jahan, God bless. She's been a long-term fan. Noor Jahan. Sarika, hi Sarika. Zakaira. What's the name of the online game you, Nimrit and wife, playing these days? That's Ludo Club. Me, Raita and Nimrit were playing Ludo Club that day. She had posted a story also of that, where she won. That's how she posted. The rest where she lost, she did not post it. I want to pray for New York. Okay, chalo. Okay, thank you, Heartbeat and Avinesh. Thank you so much. Okay, Shruti, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Lovely talking to you. And thank you, everyone. Yeah, I love you all. Thank you so much.